Molweni, molweni, molweni. Let's open the vlog. Today it's Saturday. Kuvaliwe izikolo, so I'm going out with my colleagues. Siphume echefane ke apha. This is me, hubby, and nomuntu esimkhwelisileyo. I'm going straight to Amano because umyenam uya ezileni. That's why I'm early. For the first time in our brunch and lunch or breakfast in anything enidibanisa nabantu, I am early. For the first time I'm early. Nditsho ke apha finally ndifike ngo-10, so I think 10. It was 10. First train arrived. This is Posy, you know her. And then we were given the menu. Oh, guys, kuyatshisa man apha. We're given the menu to choose. We're given the menu to choose from them. What do we really want to have? And since Bexaxen, and we knew that we're going to stay there for the whole day, we decided to have French toast. We decided to have French toast together. Just something light, because besisho must be spending in Payana. So we checked up on our other friend, and she was still home getting transport, and we couldn't check another friend. See foremost, we couldn't check on another because ubenga fumaneki at that time in the phone. An hour later, I think with that friend, sahlala ke samnwaba kamandi. Oh guys, we had so much fun and funungacho. We took pictures and it was fine, and then besesi ordered ilanjethu, and then it was time for us to dig in. Oh, their service was well. Yeah, something happened, but sizumisa ngaloo nto. Bebesiphethe kakuhle shame, I don't want to lie.
Doing crazy dreaming.
11-ish, 12-ish love songs. It's one now, and we are born with silly drinks, and as drinks siziselayo zezabantu abadala. So yeah, the music is wow. It's nice, like ukhalisa umculo omnandi andifuna naphosisa. Uba bekusiya ngokokwam ke sithi ndiphakame ndidanse. Oh, sana ufikile kwi-third friend. I think you nimbonile. Yeah, nimbonile. Siphelele nawo ugirl obeseva uyatshayisa and nathi. I don't know uba usethi masitshintshe indawo yohlala yazi. We were thinking, you know what? I feel like it's still early. Like we felt like it was still early. Can we change to the second location? Can we? Sabhatala imali yaphayana, sayibhatala, satshintsha, saya kwenye i-location takabawo.
appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Waiting for a minute. We have fun. We had fun. And now everyone is calling his friends. This one is calling his man. And this one is calling his man. Right here. Hubby's outside. He's here to take us. We're waiting for our order. Otherwise, it was cool.